Model Y comes to Hong Kong. Everyone, welcome to the Tesla Model Y Hong Kong sneak preview event being held August 2nd here in Hong Kong. These are actually made in China Model Ys, which should be hot off the presses. This is, I think, the first right-hand drive version of the Model Y that is available anywhere in the world, and that's good news if you live in Australia, Japan, UK, etc., because that means they're making them, which means they should send them to you sooner or later. The standard range is already available for ordering. They said it should be available by the end of September, which is about 2 months from now. And I'm guessing because they don't need the batteries here in Hong Kong, because we can't drive that far, especially with COVID lockdown. You're really stuck here. At least right now, you can't even drive across the border. If you had a dual plates version, means standard range is pretty good considering the size of Hong Kong. I've seen the Model Y in the US and obviously pictures online, but I'm not enough of an expert to say what differences there might be between the China version and the Fremont version, but they look pretty good. The paint looked pretty good. I'll show some close-ups as I go. Also in the front, they had a nice setup with some information displays and some cool signs. And of course, they had even a Roadster on display way back there. So that's pretty cool. Any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. If you want to share this video, please let me know by email. Okay, thanks. Bye.